right, so here we're going to do multiple undos. So you can open this up in the history. Now, the problem that I have in here, several things. One, I already shut my files down from the previous example, and I saved this as 02 T1. And when I go to open my history, because I saved it and closed it, all my history are now gone. Gone, disappeared. Now, I can go back and fill I remember what we did, and one of them was about right here, which is kind of ironic because by going in the history, if you review your history, if you didn't shut your window down or your files down, this is where we did the difference and the Gaussian blur. So I'm going to go ahead and ignore exposure and channel mixer because that's where we changed to green, and we're not going to do that. And if we go in the book, we're actually about right here in layer 1. And the only difference is they go filter, let me choose it, filter, noise, add noise, and the amount is going to be 3. And there's going to be a 3% Gaussian blur, Gaussian and monochrome. And then there it is. So all that filters and all that stuff we did was for naught. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then here is our backdrop Curse of Frankenstein. And we're going to go Window, Workspace, actually arrange 2 up vertical. And we're going to bring that layer 1 over to our poster. It's trying to think. What is it doing? It's kind of stuck. That's so strange. One of these strange days. So I can try it again. And it could just be... I think it's frozen. So let's see if I can. Oh, you know what? Oh, it's not here. I forgot. Paste profile mismatch. So it's not frozen. It's saying there's a mismatch in the work color profiles. So don't worry about that. Press OK. And then here's our rest in peace. And then we put it at about right there. And let's go ahead and save this backdrop. I'm going to save it in my turn-in file 05 and name it accordingly. Would be 09 underscore backdrop underscore last name underscore first name. We don't have to write .psd, it'll automatically save that. So now we have our rest in peace, we have our Frankenstein, and let's see how much more we need to do to finish lesson 9 module.